Hello and welcome to Canada Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Delonghi Perfecta espresso machine. And let's go ahead and run the cappuccino so we can test all the functions. So I use water when I test these machines because I don't want to have to clean them all out. And basically we're just showing that the suction works well, which it does. Then we're going to show the espresso. Oh, Phil beans. So we're just gonna mess with this up, Phil beans. There you can see we get a nice shot of espresso. So thank you for testing with Canada Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.